Mirror neurons were first identified in the 1990s by Italian researchers led by Giacomo Rizzolatti. They discovered these neurons while studying macaque monkeys. Surprisingly, the same neurons fired when the monkeys picked up a peanut and when they watched a researcher do the same. Mirror neurons are located in the premotor cortex and parietal lobe. When you perform an action, specific neurons fire. Remarkably, these same neurons activate when you observe someone else performing the same action, simulating the experience internally. Mirror neurons are crucial for empathy, social learning, and imitation. They help us feel emotions by mirroring others' expressions. For example, a child learns to tie shoes by watching and imitating. These neurons also play a role in language evolution, aiding in mimicking sounds and gestures. Functional MRI studies show that humans have mirror neurons too. When people observe actions, similar brain areas activate as when they perform those actions themselves. The discovery of mirror neurons has profound implications for understanding human behavior. They offer insights into empathy, learning, and social bonds, and open new research avenues in autism, social disorders, and brain injury rehabilitation.